Cash is king, and that's especially true in the Los Angeles real estate market. In this video, I'm going to share with you what an all cash offer looks like. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. What is a cash offer, you ask? It's a buyer who shows proof of funds for the full purchase price of the property or more with their offer. There are two types of offers, cash offers. Type number one, it's a pure cash buyer. It's someone who has the full amount of the property on hand and who can truly pay cash for the property. Type number two, someone who shows funds for the purchase price but still gets a loan set up before closing. Now, this is more of a common cash buyer. Beware that if the buyer cannot get the loan at the end, they still need to bring cash to the closing. If you're paying attention to this market today, it's gonna look like this. The seller will look at all the offers they get for their home, and cash offer will always be on the top of the list. Why? Because they know that they can close escrow in a faster amount of time. Now, in a competitive market like this Los Angeles market today, oftentimes buyers get a mortgage. They're still dropping the mortgage contingency to be competitive with the cash buyers. This is a dangerous path because if your loan does not get approved, like I said earlier, you really don't have any way to proceed forward to the closing. Let's give you a quick scenario. There are three cash buyers to buy the house in La Puente for $650,000. The first one is the pure cash buyer we talked about. Another buyer shows proof of funds for $650,000 for the purchase price, no loan contingency, and later on and gets a loan, putting them in a chance to get pre-approved and have to come up with the whole cash thing. Lastly, a buyer who has a loan pre-approved for $650,000 with loan contingency. Who do you think the seller chose? Of course, the all cash buyer. So I hope you learned something today. Remember, stop throwing your hard-earned cash in a bad investment. Instead, put it in a good investment like real estate. Please subscribe, hit the like sign and the share button if you really enjoyed this video, and comment below to let me know, are you buying a home cash this year after hearing this video? Go to ben10k.com and let me know. Take care and y'all bless you.